What's up? Welcome to the channel. I just want to say thanks for clicking on the video, whichever video you clicked on. I appreciate you. We got videos coming every day, so keep it locked. You'll find something you might want to watch. Alright. What's up, y'all? Get this oil changed on this truck. Let me scoot the truck back a little bit. Got my microphone on. Hopefully it sounds pretty decent. I had to use some different oil today and a different oil filter. Hopefully this oil filter fit right, but they didn't have the oil. They didn't have the Walmart brand full synthetic 5W30 oil I usually use. Like I said, they didn't have the oil filter either, and I went to 3 Walmarts. So they didn't have the OEM Mopar oil filter. And the oil that I've been using, I think like the last 3 oil changes. So they didn't have none of that stuff. So they didn't even have my second choice in oil, which is Pennzoil. And I had to go with Valvoline. Let me cut these headphones off. I got some headphones in. But my second choice is usually Pennzoil. They didn't even have Pennzoil. So I had to go with Valvoline. I use Valvoline in my motorcycle. So I just picked Valvoline, which in turn made it cost a little bit more than it usually does. I think with the oil filter and stuff, I ended up paying about $60 for oil and all. So a little bit more than I wanted to spend too. I usually get the Walmart brand oil, so it is what it is. We had to get the oil change. A little bit more than usual, like I said, but let's see. Last time I went too far. Let's see what we got here. See if I went too far this time. Sorry, I got it about right. Yeah. Yeah, I did pretty good this time. And I brought me, let me show y'all what I got. Pop the hood and stuff. Show y'all what all I got this time around. So y'all can see I had to get Valvoline. So got my 6 quarts of full synthetic high mileage Valvoline, and I always buy me another quart in between oil changes, because as y'all can see, I'm leaking from my drain plug. I think I'm gonna have to break down and buy a whole new oil pan. But yeah, and I had to get a Fram oil filter because they didn't have the OEM Mopar filter. So ended up paying a little bit more. I paid let's see. Well, let's see what I got here. Ended up paying a little bit more than I usually do. But it is what it is. We gotta get the oil change. And I brought me a socket set. Let me get in the trunk because I got my gripper to take the oil filter off, and I gotta go get the oil pan. Oil pan drain. Drain the oil out. Let me see. Got some grippers back here somewhere to get that oil filter off. I bought a brand new one, so let me see that drain pan should be over here somewhere. Should be on the side of the house. Hopefully my audio don't cut. I got this microphone on, y'all. Let me see if this drain pan is back on the side. Yeah, it is. Oh. Put some gloves on. I'm trying to make this the quickest oil changer than did it. Rained earlier, so I had to hold off. Wanted to get at it as soon as I got home from work, but it rained, so I had to hold off. Get some gloves on, get this done. Said I'm trying to make this the fastest oil change I done ever did. Put my screen around. Flip around for me. But yeah. Let's get under here and get it done. As y'all can see, that drain plug is leaking. I'm gonna need a whole new oil pan. So let's get this off. Pull the socket off. Come on over here, socket. Dang, I can't get a grip on it. Pop it out. Tearing stuff up, trying to get it on. Let's see if this the right size. I should have had this stuff memorized, but I forget every time I change the oil, even though I change the oil every 2 months. At the rate I drive this truck, it's a 2 month. It's the oil change every 2 months. So I try to make sure I change it every 4,000 miles. But I went over a little bit. This oil change went about a couple 100 miles over. Make sure y'all can see what I'm doing under here. I'm never fast enough to get out the way of the oil and stuff before it falls. Let me get some gloves. I mean some paper towels to wipe my hands off. We're trying to do a less than 30-minute oil change. Where's my daggone paper towels? I think we can do it. With all the right tools, it shouldn't take me longer than 30 minutes. Paper towels, where are you? I'm just gonna use a microfiber towel. Oh, there go my paper towels. And let's see if we can get the oil filter off, and hopefully we have the right fitting oil filter. Let's cross our fingers. So I did a quick Google search. I know what kind of I'm supposed to get for the OEM, but like I said, they didn't have none of the stuff I've been using the last 3 oil changes, so we'll let that drip a little bit longer. We're gonna take the oil filter off. Yeah, they went to 3 different Walmarts, so I just had to bite the bullet and go and get the third choice. Like I said, if I can't get the Walmart brand, I get Pennzoil. They didn't have none of the Pennzoil, none of to my liking, so I had to go with Valvoline. They keep dripping. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to bite the bullet and get me a new oil pan. Looked like my oil filter was leaking in it from the looks of it. Definitely leaking from my oil pan. I got it in my pocket. I got keys in my pocket. I think I do. I guess while I'm on here, I'm gonna change my fog lights out. Let that leak a little bit more. See how many minutes we going on. We at 12 minutes already, so. It's leaking pretty steadily. Once it started to drip, 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 I'm gonna put the plug back in. It's leaking out pretty steadily still. Come on now. We got a 30-minute oil change we trying to do here. And it's still kind of warm. The truck been sitting about an hour, but oil's still kind of warm. Come on now. Let's see what my girlfriend said. She texted me a while ago. been coming out pretty constant in it, y'all. And started to drip, 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 drip. Slowing down a little bit. As soon as it started to dribble, I'm gonna plug it back in and get this oil filter off. Like I said, hopefully this oil filter fits. I had to go with a Fram. So we'll have to see. This is a PH3614. So hopefully this guy will go on here with no problems. I think we're gonna go ahead and plug him back in. Let me wipe this drain plug off. Sure don't got no debris on it. It's still coming out pretty steady. Get this oil filter off. Got it on there snug. Yeah, I'm gonna end up having to get a new oil pan, y'all. Let me give it a little bit. Okay. Let's get this oil filter off. Hopefully y'all can see that. Oh. Dirt all in my hair. But it is what it is. Whoa. And the oil filter I got definitely looks smaller than this one, so We have to see what we got here. It is not gonna fit, y'all. Like I said, it's way smaller. Dadgummit. Way smaller. Look how small this one is compared to it. Let me go run and get the right oil filter, y'all. I definitely got the wrong one. All right. All right, y'all. I'll be back. Hey, what's up, King? Hey, Terrell. Nothing much. Had to wait till it started raining to change this oil. Yeah. You need my key? It's on the car, on the back of the car right here, Terrell. You think you could do me a favor, Terrell? You think you could run me to the parts store? To the parts store? Yeah. I brought the wrong filter. Yeah, all right. Oh. All right, y'all. I'll be back. O'Reilly's had my usual filter I usually get, so let me set this up for a thumbnail. Get me a thumbnail. Get this old frame out of here. All right, let's put this filter on here. Put the oil in here. Pour a little bit of oil in it. funnel. Hey, Daddy, nothing much. Dang. Fuck on here tight. I just put it on here. Let's see. All right, let's fill it up. It must sound like this pour. This one got a pour spout on it. Make it more smoother. I don't know. I probably gotta go back to the Walmart brand oil, next oil change if they get it. If not, I get this Valvoline again. All right. I think that's gonna do it, y'all. Need to do a engine clean video on this truck. I cleaned the engine on my car, but I need to go ahead and clean up under the hood of this truck. Little dirty, little dirty. All right. let's get her down and call it a video. All right, catch y'all later. Y'all be good.